Beloved viewers, I want to share some of the details about EGP solutions for the school management. It has given through the e-Padasala a concept. It is completely a management solutions and a boon to all the education institutions, not only Tamil Nadu, all over India we can say. Now you know very well, maintaining a school is not an easy task. It is a tough task we can say. We have seen so many things, the action, this and that, discipline problem in the school. Now the management and also the schools and principals, it's very difficult to manage the school management. To give you solutions for your problem now, the EGP solutions that is given by a American Tamilan, that's by name Ganesh Egambaram, has made this software my school management for yourself. It includes nearly 75 modules. Through this we can able to control a small school at the rate of 200 to even 20,000 students. Why not even 50,000 students can be controlled. This includes all type of functions of a schools we can say. You can know very well a school means very difficult to have the timetable for various classes of 100 sections. Here it's very easy to form the timetable and payroll and fee structures, and also we can say the progress card, the discipline action taken by the schools, and also the performance of the children to the parents, and also from the parents messages to the teachers are all possible. Not only that, you can maintain and control the complete your hostel facilities and communication facilities, transport facilities. Through these modules, you may think it is very simple. No, it's well advanced modules I can say, because you can monitor from anywhere your school at any time. The correspondent can easily monitor by sitting in his office or the principal at his room. He can completely control the head teachers and students. Suppose for example your children have gone to choose, it will be very difficult. Only by mobile you will be contacting. By this software we can able to completely monitor your students and teachers, even they are outside the schools, by through the satellite communications. It's a well advanced e-technique we can say. Not only that, here we can able to control communications, good relationships can be possible between the teachers, students, parents, society, and also to the management. Dear viewers, it provides you the facilities like complete details about the transport facilities, and also the students particulars like you say the progress card, the performance analysis, and also the teachers performance analysis for the management also possible through these modules. Apart from that, they will give you the website also, and also email also will be created, and through the mail you can able to get your progress card, performance and academic excellency of your children, and all the things is possible. It's one of the best solution I can say, management solutions given by this organization. It's a great boon to you. Sir, it provides you the free website. Dear viewers, it provides you the facilities like email facilities, websites, and also a data entry operator will be at your school site. We'll do all the data entries and all the data, accounts, everything at free cost we can say. This modules includes nearly 75 numbers of modules. Apart from that, one thing surprising information I want to share with you, that inclusive of parents, teachers, students and management, nearly per year we can say 50 lakhs. It will be, I think it will be wondering for you. Please kindly use this software management for the school management. Surely you will be getting the benefits, and also benefit go to the society and also the academic side, by which you can do the best educational service to society. Thank you to one and all.